Welcome to McCall's Kitchen. My name is Elisha. I'm from Fiorella Bake Shop and I'm here today to have some fun with you guys for summer. We're going to be showcasing some vibrant colors, some pinks, orange, and yellow, and some flowers to get everybody excited for the hot weather. We have some cupcakes here, some buttercream. Make sure to subscribe to our YouTube channel. Let's get started, guys. So we are ready. We've got our natural collection in front of us, the pink, the orange, and the yellow. We've got McCall's buttercream, our vanilla cupcakes. I've already went ahead and I've colored the yellow right here and the orange, which I'm going to be using after to pipe the cupcakes, but right now I'm going to show you how I'm going to be coloring it using the pink. We're going to go in and we're going to add about 3 to 4 drops to start off with. We'll see how pink it turns and we'll add more if we want it to be a more vibrant pink. So this is the perfect pink that we were going for. Super vibrant, super fun. It's gonna look so nice together with the yellow and the orange. I'm gonna put this into a piping bag now. I'm actually gonna show you guys how I make two-tone cupcakes. So we're gonna be using some clear wrap and we're also gonna be using the yellow, putting the two together to show you how to make a cupcake that has 2 color tones in the flour. You are going to need some clear wrap. It doesn't have to be anything fancy, literally whatever you have in your kitchen. And we're just gonna lay it down on a counter. You also don't need it to be too big, so this is just an average size that I cut. And the first thing that we're gonna do is we're gonna take our pink buttercream and we're just gonna make a nice, clean, straight kind of plop of buttercream going down. You wanna keep it pretty clean because we're gonna need to put the yellow in there as well. And we want everything to pipe really nice and we don't want the colors to mix too much. So now that we have our pink in here, we're gonna go in with our yellow, which I have in a piping bag, so it's easier control for me to get the buttercream in there. And we are just going to pipe a nice clean yellow line right beside the pink. We want this to be thinner because the yellow is just gonna be an accent to the pink. And now, once we have our buttercream in here, we're gonna roll it up into a little burrito and get it into our piping bag. All right, so we've got our burrito. This is filled with the pink and yellow, and as you can tell, the pink is the majority of the bag and the yellow is just a small fine line to give us that nice detail. We're just gonna take some scissors and snip the top off and get it into our piping bag. So I already have a petal tip in my piping bag, and what I'm gonna do is when I'm putting this burrito into my piping bag, I'm gonna make sure the yellow is at the very top part of the tip. So the thinner part of the tip is where the yellow is gonna go, the wider part of the tip is where the pink is gonna go. And I will show you guys what I mean when this is in here. All right, so we've got our burrito into our piping bag. And as you can tell, the yellow is along the top and the pink is along the bottom. So we're gonna get a really beautiful border of the yellow and the pink is really gonna pop. So I'm gonna start piping these now and showing you guys how I make flowers using this piping bag. Our first cupcakes are ready. I'm loving how these colors look. They kind of remind me of a popsicle on a hot summer day. We use the pink and the yellow to create these with the natural colors, and now I'm going to show you how I use the orange with the white to create a similar petal on the last 3 cupcakes. These ones remind me of creamsicle popsicles. I'm not sure if you remember them. They're orange on the outside and white on the inside. So let me show you how I do these ones. Really like this one. I'm more of a neutrals girl, so this orange and white combo really screams to me. I'm gonna add some white pearls to this to give it that pop in the center, and I think I'm gonna go in with some smaller pearls just so that it doesn't look too overpowered. We're gonna be using the 2mm white ones. cupcakes are ready, and the last thing that I'm gonna add is the white pearls to finish these up, and then we'll take a look at them after. I absolutely love how these turned out and how the colors look so vibrant together. You can let me know which one is your favorite in the comments, whether it's the pink and the yellow or the white and orange. And now I'm gonna show you guys how you can just quickly package them up and give them to your loved ones. So we have everything ready. Our clamshell that fits 6 cupcakes is what we're gonna be using today. This also comes in a 4-pack and a 2-pack, but we have 6 beautifully decorated cupcakes, so we're gonna put them all in one. One thing you're going to want to make sure about is make sure to chill your cupcakes before moving them around. Otherwise, you're probably going to end up damaging them, and we're going to ruin these beautiful flowers that we created. So these have been nice and chilled in the fridge for about 10 minutes before I'm putting them in the clamshell. So one thing that I also like to do is I like to arrange the cupcakes in an opposite form. So as you see at the top, I have pink and yellow, orange and white, pink and yellow, and at the bottom I have an opposite, so the whole box looks really nice and put together. And this is a perfect gift to give to your loved ones, to any co-workers, or just your neighbors to brighten up their day for summer. We really hope you guys enjoyed watching these today. I had so much fun making them with you. I absolutely love how these turned out. The colors, the petals, the flowers, it just looks so summery. We use the pink, yellow, and orange, but there's so many different colors in the line, and you guys definitely have to try them. If you guys do try making these cupcakes at home, make sure to tag at Fiorella Bake Shop and at McCall's, and subscribe to our YouTube channel for so much more summer content coming your way. Happy baking, guys!